How to make Bigfoot AI vlog videos with Google Veo 3. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. Open Chrome and search Google Flow Veo 3 AI and click on it, which is image to video. Then click on text to video at the bottom. After you have clicked on text to video, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, as you can see in the prompt section, simply delete what's in here and then type in your prompt. Start with its Bigfoot vlog AI. Bigfoot is running in a jungle. It's my example. Then scroll down and click on generate video. After you have clicked on generate video, your video will be generated as your prompt. Also, this is not free. You will need to pay these plans. And this is how to make Bigfoot AI vlog videos with Google Veo 3. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.